welcome to Basshead Garage. Today we are going to be putting on that. Yes, we are going to be putting on an actual exhaust on toy, which hopefully you guys seen the other video previously to this, not when we put on the headers, but the actual first drive of with the headers. So yeah, that might come out Monday. I'm not too sure. It's probably already out. I don't know. Maybe not. Anyways, right now, we are going to be putting on this right here. Yes, we do have an O2 sensor coming in that should be here tomorrow, but that will be a separate video.
How's it going there, guys? Another episode back here, Basshead Garage. We're not at home, if you guys can't tell. There's snow behind me, everything like that. We're at Budget Brake and Muffler Auto Center in our town here, getting an exhaust put on a toy. We're running some issues with it, so we're just going to do that. We have a lot of work to do to her still. Had her up on a 4-post lift. She looks clean underneath her, which is great, but here she comes out right now. You can see her just sitting there poking around the corner. You know, old Toyota. Yeah, she's raspy. So apparently there's 4 holes on the manifold that we got to fix, but otherwise she's good to go. She's all good. Yeah, that will go for a good though. Otherwise, you know, exhaust coming out the back. She's good to go. We'll catch up with you guys later. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. I don't know what kind of air I'm got. Well, it's bend over probably. I'm just gonna Scott. So you guys can hear Damien over there cutting and grinding. We had some issues with the exhaust install that I will show you guys, like I said before. So as you guys can see, how's it going? It is dark, it is getting late. So right here, as you can see, these holes right here, wherever that light is, those are part of the EGR, which as you guys can see is no longer here. So Damien is going through on the actual EGR side of things, and he is actually deleting the EGR pipes, I want to say, like cutting them up, welding them up, so that way we can just bolt them back on and get proper exhaust, because right now those are just massive exhaust leaks. What I'm doing in the shop though is something else. So took it to the shop. I didn't know this, Damien didn't know this because he didn't pay attention, but the tires are on backwards. That is supposed to be over there, and that one over there is supposed to be over here, and the same in the rear. Swap them, put the tires on backwards. So I am going to go do that right now while Damien's over in the shop cutting out the piping. Yeah, so give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Well, hit the exhaust, hit the brake shield. That's been running for quite a while, by the look of it. But yeah, tire went off. Score 1 for the competent. I'll be right back, guys. Breaker burn. Breaker bars. They work really good breaking bolts loose. Last one's always the hardest for some odd reason. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go with the jack. A little chilly in here. That's fine. Put that all on. Yes, it is beautiful. Okay. That was gonna happen. There we go. It was gonna fall out. That's fine. Let's get out of the way. And now, I hate winter. There we go. My glove's now soaked again. Joy to the world, I got a wet glove. These ones are also, so these ones are dual lug. They're 5x114.3, which is what we have. And there's also 5x5.5, which is what we don't have. So I gotta try to find the right lug pattern. Give me a second, guys. The entire hub spinning, that's why. There we go. Got it. Now, well, if I view, meet this guy. Along with the new lighting method. I think it's bad. This thing here, it's a pain to get on, so make do with what you got. Then you put these on, they're just like, boop, on. I put them on, it's like, so yeah, you know that thing called effort? Yeah, you gotta use a lot of that. Hey, they're just spinning. There we go. Wasn't centered. I don't know how good this video is gonna look, but I have the good GoPro, so. See that? That was easy. This one's on. So what I'm gonna do. Easy there, Tiger. Here we go. The truck will be on the road tonight, though. There we go. That one's on. I'll be right back, guys. Be right back. I'm just gonna cut when it's all done.
So guys, we are done with the welding after an hour and 15 minutes. Guys, here's the welds. As you can see, the top one is where I kind of was like, yeah, I don't know what should I do, kind of thing. The bottom one, as you can see, I got a little bit more confident. So let's go slap this on the truck and see how it runs now. See if it can be a lot quieter. Let's do that.
So we're here. Hopefully the camera's actually decent lighting. Probably not, no. Anyway, so we're here. We let the RTV set for about 20-25 minutes or so. Cleared out the GoPro footage, redid the cards, new batteries, etc. We're here today to go and start it. You can kind of see Damien over there in the dark. He's fiddling with his keys, getting them all sorted out. We're going to show you guys what we did underneath the hood here when we finally get the truck open. Let's show you what you guys did. So, as I don't know if we showed you before, but this right here, where that plate is that has the 2 welds on it, the Damien was welding, that there was open. Those 2 holes were open to the exhaust manifold, like on the inside. So we torqued it down, got some RTV on it. It's cold. I'm shaking a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, we're gonna give it a try. Make sure we don't have any more exhaust leaks. Oh, ooh. Okay. Sweet. Let me just stick this underneath the front tire. Okay, we should be good now. Just let off the brake? Yeah. Okay, we're good. Oh, time out, time out, time out. I saw a giant spark. Oh, time out, time out, time out. I saw a giant spark. I literally saw a giant spark. From right here, I just saw a giant spark come right out of here. So I don't know if it arced somewhere or not. It's literally like right here, just saw a giant spark. Hold on, guys, we'll be right back. Give us 1 second. So that giant spark there, which you slow mo it. So giant spark, we don't know what it was, but we put the cap over it. We put this little red cap right here over the actual positive post. Okay, another try. That's a lot better. You want to hold this? Anything? This one. Right there. That 1 hole. I can feel it.
1 hole, here.
Yeah, 1 hole.
Is it the hole that started?
That one is not threaded, no. That was from the bottom EGR piece. You know, I think that's fine for now. Let's go for a little rip. We can do that one tomorrow because it's cold. I want to drive. So we have 1 more little leak. I'll show it to you guys 1 more time here. That 1 tiny little hole. You want to hold the camera? How's the sound back here? Oh, that sounds beefy. Okay. So we have 1 tiny little leak that we can tell. It's that hole right there in the middle. It's that hole right down there in the middle that we can tell it's leaking. I'm gonna quickly give it a quick feel. Hey, we have light! I'm gonna go to the back. Switch!
Okay, here's me back here. That sounds good. Okay.
You wanna go up to the front and show?
What do you mean? What are you doing? What are you
Go
doing?
close your hood!
What are you doing?
Go close your hood!
Let's see, what does he do? I've wanted that for so long, you have no idea.
in so much trouble. Oh my god, that thing sounds amazing. Oh, I love this exhaust.
Hi guys, I know it was a couple nights ago, but I didn't get to show you guys the actual exhaust of it. I don't know if it's going to be a good view. I should have pulled up the camera when it was on the lift and it was getting done, but I didn't want to bother them with recording in their shop. So I'm going to give you a decent look on what it looks like somewhat underneath, so let's go do that. Okay guys, so now as you can see, it goes right back there. That part that you guys see, the twisting and turning over that, I needed to get that done. I can't do that. Then I think that's like a 1 inch, maybe, not too sure about that. Then it steps up to 2.5 inch, which I don't know, looks like pretty good wells if you ask me. Pretty decent wells. And it goes all the way back. Got some nice hangers there. Great, I got the clamp, which is nice. I can unbolt the glass back if I wanted to. And then we got, goes all the way back there. The last piece is right here. Come on. Right here, as you can see, comes up there, got really nice. Goes over the axle. And out here. Basically from that one, there we go. Basically from that one point, from that one kind of turning point you guys saw, I don't know if that was like on an 1.5 inches or whatever, steps up to 2.5 inches. Wow. But yeah, that's what the exhaust looks like. I wanted to show you guys that the day I got it, but it was nighttime and everything else. But anyways, that's what the exhaust looks like. I'm happy with it. You guys saw who made that exhaust system. I'm gonna leave a review. I forgot all about it. I'm gonna leave a good review because that thing looks nice and it sounds good.
Bonus clip. Bonus clip. Because I do not know the way. Oh.
So guys, I hope you liked that that bonus clip, that you could say. Really, that video is going to be interesting. So stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, because there's going to be more of that kind of stuff. Since I got a new exhaust on, sounds good. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos.